guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope everyone is doing well. So today's video is all about food. So in this Diwali I tried making my own recipe because I like experimenting with foods. So let's have a look. So for this recipe I took some dry red chilies, curry pattas, one green chili, you can have it as per your requirement, sliced onion, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric, salt, black pepper, lemon, and yes, one boiled potato and some roasted gram peas. And then I decided to grind these gram peas in traditional way. And then you take one pan or karhai, whatever you have, then add some oil and then add some sliced onions and some more onions and then add some turmeric powder, some coriander powder, some red chili powder, and a little touch of black pepper. Now you can add the curry pattas, and let it fry for some time. Now add the dry red chilies, and now add the boiled potatoes. And finally smash those boiled potatoes. And the final ingredient will be this roasted gram peas which I have grinded and a little bit of lemon zest. And here is my final outcome of my own made recipe. This is a late post from Diwali night, but guys, if you like my recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and come back to Rosho Ki Dhaba in Wild Feeders next time.